Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we'll learn verbs we use for everyday things. Let's get started. I will count to 3. The buttons are pulling apart. He is winding his watch. He started panting after running just a little. You are holding the book upside down. Did you just remember me now? He is shaving. Tighten the belt by one more hole. He is winking. Latch the door. Bolt the door. Don't flip the pages of the book. His eyes are watering. Bask in the sun. Don't scribble on the walls. Shake out the rug. My eye is twitching. He is blowing his nose. Turn the glass upside down. I am getting hiccups. He stammers while speaking. My stomach is growling. He is picking his nose. The baby is crawling. Clench your fist. Unclench your fist. Don't tickle me. Sneeze into your handkerchief. He is shrugging. Your socks are stinking. He is shirking his work. He is humming. He is dragging his slippers. He kept shaking his leg during the long meeting. She sat on the tree branch for a long time with her legs dangling. Practice these sentences every day and use them while speaking. See you in the next lesson.